Hello again, everyone. This is Jake here. This would be my third lesson. Um, it's been a while since I made the Korean lesson videos. I've been busy with work and everything. Sorry about that. And I have realized that there's a lot of people actually visit my site especially from Southeast Asia. I've seen on the map it says Indian people visited, Filipinos, Vietnamese, some Central Asians trying to learn Korean. I'm glad to see, and I really want to help you guys. And there was actually my first fan on Facebook. Her name is Sujin. It's not her real name, I guess. She's from Portugal, and great to see you guys virtually. So today I really want to talk about basic stuff using consonants and vowels. Again, you guys should have a list of consonants and vowels and try to follow what I say on the screen. First thing, we'll go over 5 W's and 1 H. So those are what? We'll go from what. So here, I'll kind of go over the rules of combining consonants and vowels here. What would be bo in Korean? It's kind of hard to follow, pronounce. We'll go step by step. What I'll do is, it looks like this. Okay? This is created by combining M sound, which is the consonant, MA sound, bu, M, plus U, plus O. Okay? You're combining these three, one consonants and two vowels. I'll go step by step how you would combine them. So, as you see on the screen, the combined one, it looks kind of weird, but there's a rule for combining like this. See how the consonant is at the top, and one vowel is at the very bottom, and the other one is at the side. The reason behind this is the vowel at the bottom is horizontal. It's lying, so it has to go under consonant. But the last, this vowel is straight up erected. It's vertical, so it can't go out at the bottom, so it has to stand up at the side. So what we're gonna do is combine this. As I press the vowel, it would go right beneath the consonant like this. Okay, and once we do that, we will have to put the last vowel, which is this. So there we go. We have wrote what in Korean. But the problem is pronouncing. It's really hard to pronounce and vague probably to teach you guys online, but I'll try my best here. So M sound plus the bottom vowel creates bu. It's more like this is equal to M-O-O, mu. Please refer to the list that you guys have, consonants and vowels, and see the corresponding ones, and you will be able to pronounce them. So we can pronounce that really easily, but once you put the last vowel, it kind of goes wrong. It kind of sounds wrong. So what we're gonna do here, bu, o. Remember that this sounds like a. So once we have mu up there, this one, plus this vowel would create bu o. Bu o. So bu Sorry. Bu. O. There you go. M-O-O. O. So it's not exactly bu-o in Korean. You have to pronounce them in as a one syllable. Buo. 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 That means what in Korean. So whenever you want to say, instead of saying excuse me or pardon me, you would say what to your friends, right? So if you say 뭐, that means what? I'm sorry, I'm missing you. 뭐? Okay, that was actually a tough one. We'll go for the easy one. Let me think. Where? Where? This in Korean. 어디. It's pretty simple. We've seen this combination in my first lesson and second lesson. So this plus a creates, remember this from what? It creates a sound, and this is more like a sound, a. So o, this plus that. T. The first consonant is D sound, and the next one is E. So 어디 is equal to, sounds like 어디, where. 어디, 어디, that means where. See how here you see this vowel is straight up. It's not horizontal, it's vertical. That's why when you write them down together, it's gonna go at the side and not at the bottom. If you try to write at the bottom, it's gonna look really, really weird. Same goes with this one too. It's vertical, standing up, so it has to stand right beside the consonant. Okay, so the next one would be let's go for how. How is actually really complicated, but I just want to show you an example of combination between consonants and vowels. How, if you were to write this in Korean, looks like this. There are quite a lot of things that you haven't seen before, such as consonants at the top right here and vowel here. We will go over that in my fourth video. However, I just wanted to make a point that unlike the previous one when we learned what, we could also create one syllable by with two consonants and one vowel instead of one consonant and two vowels. Here we go. The middle syllable is combination of this. That is a consonant plus a. Now you know what that is. It's stuck in your head. Should be H sound. So consonant and vowel and consonant again. But remember, in what, it was consonant, vowel, and vowel. See, this has one consonant and two vowels. This has one consonant, this has two consonants and one vowel. This has one consonant and two vowels. So these are the basic, once you know how to combine these two, you are pretty much set for writing Korean. Anyways, apart from that, if you were to pronounce how, it sounds like O, to. This double D is same as consonant here. O, to. It's not do, to. O, to. Ke. 어떻게. How, 어떻게. Repeat after me. How, 어떻게. 어떻게. So we haven't covered all 5 W's and 1 H, but I just wanted to make a point that they're pretty simple combination rules in Korean, and once you know and get used to those kind of rules, writing Korean is not that hard. And there are advanced vowels that you need to cover and consonants. That will be in 4th lesson. Once we go over that, I will properly teach you how to write Korean fully. We've only gone over the basics, and once we go over that, we'll start writing sentences and basic conversation that you guys need to do. You guys need to know when you go for trips or business. So that's all for this video, and hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you next time. Thank you.